Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Simply Earth, and this is an essential oil recipe box. And I'm very excited because it's the Halloween one, which is one of my favorite boxes from last year. So on top I have all these stickers, and these just go on the containers for the recipes that you make. Very cute and colorful. Also have the recipe cards. So there's one for a Halloween candle, Halloween makeup remover, and then it talks about the essential oils that are in this box. Creepy crawlers repellent. That's cute. It says you can glue a spider to the outside to double your repellent as a fun Halloween decoration. That's cute. Ooh, next month is Thanksgiving. That'll be exciting. Energy roll-on. Uplifting inhaler. And then the blood of the dragon diffuser. So last year the Halloween diffuser blends were my absolute favorite. I still use those. So it's very easy, just some energy essential oil and rosemary essential oil. Very cool. And it talks about bonus items. So here are the essential oils. We have cinnamon, energy, which includes eucalyptus, lemon, and peppermint essential oils. Also have rosemary and a citrus burst, which has lemon, lime, grapefruit, orange, bergamot essential oils. And I'm glad I read the thing about the spider because I see it. They actually included the spider, and that may have frightened me had I not seen that. That's really cute. Cute little spider. And this is probably the bag for that because it said to put it in a little satchel, and then you can glue this on top for an added decoration. And you can put it anywhere that pest may be to keep them away. Oh, cool. And we got a little wood wick for our candle. I love those kind of wicks. You can hear them crackle and make sorts of noises. And this is for the little inhaler. We also have some candle wax. So very fun this month. I could smell the essential oils. They smell really good. I'm excited to see next month, the Thanksgiving one. Let's see if it says anything cool about it. It includes a face mask recipe, scented ornament, and more. Cool. Ooh. Oils included, pine scotch, wintergreen. Oh, I love those scents. So if you guys want to sign up for a box, or if you want to see past boxes, I have all the information below. I got a link to sign up and all my playlists and all my other unboxing from Simply Earth. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.